How good is your Spanish? Today, I challenge you to get at least 50 out of 100 essential Spanish verbs. Choose A, B, or C. Let's see how many you can get right. Let's begin.
How do you say eat? Comer. How do you say drink? Beber. How do you say sleep? Dormir. How do you say run? Correr. How do you say walk? Caminar. How do you say talk? Hablar. How do you say read? Leer. How do you say write? Escribir. How do you say go? Ir. How do you say come? Venir. How do you say see? Ver. How do you say hear? Oír. How do you say like? Gustar. How do you say love? Amar. How do you say want? Querer. How do you say need? Necesitar. How do you say buy? Comprar. How do you say pay? Pagar. How do you say give? Dar. How do you say take? Tomar. How do you say live? Vivir. How do you say sit? Sentarse. How do you say stand? Pararse. How do you say play? Jugar. How do you say stop? Parar. How do you say open? Abrir. How do you say close? Cerrar. How do you say listen? Escuchar. How do you say watch? Mirar. How do you say study? Estudiar. How do you say work? Trabajar. How do you say call? Llamar. How do you say wait? Esperar. How do you say start? Empezar. How do you say finish? Terminar. How do you say travel? Viajar. How do you say visit? Visitar. How do you say clean? Limpiar. How do you say cook? Cocinar. How do you say dance? Bailar. How do you say sing? Cantar. How do you say smile? Sonreír. How do you say laugh? Reír. How do you say help? Ayudar. How do you say jump? Saltar. How do you say drive? Conducir. How do you say swim? Nadar. How do you say fly? Volar. How do you say learn? Aprender. How do you say teach? Enseñar. How do you say remember? Recordar. How do you say forget? Olvidar. How do you say explain? Explicar. How do you say build? Construir. How do you say choose? Elegir. How do you say break? Romper. How do you say catch? Atrapar. How do you say throw? lanzar. How do you say push? Empujar. How do you say pull? Jalar. How do you say win? Ganar. How do you say lose? Perder. How do you say send? Enviar. How do you say bring? Traer. How do you say sell? Vender. How do you say meet? Conocer. How do you say follow? Seguir. How do you say touch? Tocar. How do you say hit? Golpear. How do you say hide? Esconder. How do you say shine? Brillar. How do you say shake? Sacudir. How do you say wash? Lavar. How do you say cut? Cortar. How do you say paint? Pintar. How do you say fix? Reparar. How do you say change? Cambiar. How do you say decide? Decidir. How do you say improve? Mejorar. How do you say realize? Darse cuenta. How do you say achieve? Lograr. How do you say avoid? Evitar. How do you say increase? Aumentar. How do you say reduce? Reducir. How do you say develop? Desarrollar. How do you say discover? Descubrir. How do you say believe? Creer. How do you say protect? Proteger. How do you say support? Apoyar. How do you say create? Crear. How do you say solve? Resolver. How do you say continue? Continuar. How do you say prepare? Preparar. How do you say receive? Recibir. How do you say include? Incluir. How do you say share? Compartir. How do you say depend? Depender. How do you say succeed? Tener éxito. How do you say compare? Comparar. How do you say describe? Describir.